Story time, story time. Oh, 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 it's story time. Story time, story time. Let's read a book!
Hello and welcome to Storytime. Today we're going to read Penguins, Penguins Everywhere. Some penguins live in icy places, and some live in the heat. Their colors help to hide them when they fish for fishy treats. Cold penguins huddle close, with penguins' heat to share. Daddy's warm, fragile eggs with tender, special care. Hot penguins fluff their feathers to cool off from the sun. Their chicks call out from shady caves to ask for food and fun. Noisy penguins waddle and toboggan to the sea. Each one honks to find its mate wherever it may be. Penguins watch for sneaky seals as they swim and splash and play. Sleepy little penguins end another perfect day. And what do penguins say? Honk honk, hee-haw, hee-haw, yak, yak. Penguins, penguins everywhere.
Story time, story time. Oh, 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 it's story time. Story time, story time. Let's read a book!